think at this moment I think the picture is not that clear because the window or the windshield is a little bit dirty, so I have to wipe it. Okay, over here we can see the picture is better quality. I think after I washed my car, I get to car wash, so they washed for me, so it's pretty cool. I like this picture right now. It's better than the one before or the previous clip, that one in front. So we can check right now. The picture is very good. It's almost 1080, the quality of the picture. Same thing here, the picture is pretty good. We can see the quality is very good at the daytime when the Nexar capture this video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So far so good. I like this cam. So if you put SD card on it, and you have to, because you need to record the clips that the camera will take it, and after that you can download it in the PC or your laptop. So it's pretty good. And this camera, it has a parking mode too, so if somebody hit your car while you are not in it, so it will record everything. Even if somebody like just move a little bit your car, it will record everything.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.